How to hide a page on Wix. So in order to hide a page on your Wix, what we can do is we can head over to our actual pages icon into our website editor. Now once you're currently on the site pages, what we can do is we can just choose in here a page that you want to hide. For example, let's head over and hide this accessibility statement. Click onto these three dots, and then under this, click onto the settings option. This will open this page accessibility settings. You can see in here the permissions. So head over and click onto this permissions option. So you can actually hide it for password holders only or members only. So this will essentially hide it altogether. When you change it to members only members that sign up to your page should be able to access it, which essentially hides it to everyone as well. It also can be hidden or hidden using the password holders option that we can see right here by setting a password that we can use. So that's how you hide a page on Wix. I hope this video helped you out.